Hello, my name is Shawn Pigg, and if you're watching this, this video is how to save a relationship, what to do and what not to do. I've been getting a lot of messages from people asking me if I can put my input in on more relationship advice. I was married 25 years. I've had partners. I'm what's called a long-term relationship, not a short-term relationship. So I wanted to give some of my advice if any of you are going through any challenges and obstacles. So if you're watching this, there's a good chance that your relationship is on the edge. But I'm here to tell you this, one thing, it's not too late. You just need the right steps. So number one, you're going to own your own role. Every relationship takes two people. If it's breaking, chances are that both are not contributing. Reflect on your own, aspects, your own patterns, your own behaviors and words, growth, and with ownership. Number two, what I would do is I would apologize sincerely. If you made a mistake, own up to it and apologize sincerely. Admit what you're doing wrong, even if your pride seems to, screams not to. Just admit to what you're doing wrong. Too many times that you're putting the issue back at your partner instead of understanding that your partner's trying to explain to you what is going on and you're not listening and you're putting it back on them, and then it just becomes a battle. Now, also ask what I can do to make this relationship better. That is one of the most important things. Always ask your partner, what can I do better? Would you like me to do better? How would you like me to do better? And watch how your relationship starts to blossom. Now, here's what you don't do. You don't play the victim. You don't say, this is just who I am, deal with it. You don't say, shift all the blame, to them. You don't say that, I know my power, I know who I am, I know what I got, I know what I bring, I know. Don't do that. That's not it. You're not owning your own role. You need to own your own role. And then relearn how to communicate. Over time, people stop talking. Or worse, they only talk when they're angry. So you have to relearn how to communicate with your partner and truly hear each other. So ask questions with curiosity, not accusations. Make time every day to talk about something other than problems. So don't talk about problems every single day. Validate their feelings. Even if you don't feel you understand them, still validate them. They're still important to your partner, so validate them. And don't criticize them. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, let's get into the next step. This is what you do not do. You don't interrupt or shut down their conversations. You don't weaponize vulnerability. You don't bash them. You don't insult them. You don't put them down. You don't make them feel important. That is the failure of a relationship immediately right off the bat. So, and also restore emotional intimacy. Before you fell out of love, you fell out of connection. Bring back the emotional safety that once brought you together. So let me give you some tips to do on this. Compliment them. Say thank you more. Do something just because you love them. Motivate them, inspire them, push them, pick them up, say positive things. Now this is what you don't do. Don't take them for granted. Don't compare them to others. And don't wait for them to change first. Don't ignore them. Don't gaslight them. And don't ignore text messages. Don't ignore phone calls. Don't disappear. That's not what you do. That's not going to restore your emotional intimacy. So, and you also have to rebuild trust slowly and daily. So trust don't break in one day. It's chipped over time. And rebuilding, it takes just as much time and effort as it does, meeting somebody. So here's what you can do. Be transparent, even with the little things. Show them that you're reliable through actions and not just words, and be patient. They're healing, just like you're healing. Could be from your healing from your childhood or past relationships. You're both healing in different directions, in different ways. So make sure that you're healing together by rebuilding that trust. Here's what you don't do. Do not demand immediate forgiveness. Do not get defensive. Do not lie to avoid conflict. That's the death of a relationship. And be willing to start over together. Sometimes you have to let go of the old version of your relationship and build something new. So here's what you can do to that. Talk about your dreams again. Set new boundaries and expectations and fall in love again with each other. Here's what you don't do. Don't keep score. Use the past as a weapon. Expect things to magically go back to exactly how they were. Don't post stuff on social media. Don't bash your partner to your friends. Don't bash your partners to your family. Don't create problems when there's already problems in a relationship. Now, you don't get, let me try to explain it this way, okay? Heartfelt emotion. You don't get the love, you don't, I mean, I'm trying to explain this the best way. You don't get the love you want by waiting. You get the love you deserve by showing up and doing the work. So before you walk away, ask yourself, did I do something wrong? Did I do anything wrong? Did I do everything I could do? Because sometimes the best chapters come after the broken ones. So what I need you to do is tag someone that needs to hear this, rewatch it with your own partner, and if you're ready to grow in love and you know, continue your relationship, then do me a favor and visit me, ShawnPigg.com, www.Shawn, S-H-A-W-N, Pigg, P-I-G-G.com. That's right, Pigg, patient, intelligent, gifted, good looking. And I hope this message will help everybody in their relationships. And this is just some advice because I've been asked to, you know, send this out. So I want to throw some advice out there. God bless everybody and have a wonderful day.